Today's review is on the Hot Wheels 5 packs in Fast and Furious theme. This video is also uploaded on IGTV as well, hence the format. I found this 5 pack in TRU a while back, which I share in my IG page, and I also did a custom assortment in Paul Walker theme which garnered many likes in IG. And here you are, the original Fast and Furious 5 pack. First impression, there's no JDM car in this assortment. That's a bold move by Mattel. Still, the assortment looks okay, although all of them are repeat casting. It's also a great addition for the Fast and Furious fan. And here's the 61 Impala from the Fate of the Furious, the Fast and Furious Ford Gran Torino Sports, which is my favorite, the Corvette Grand Sport Roadster from the Fast 5 series, the Ford Escort from the Fast and Furious 6, and lastly the 70 Chevelle SS from Fast and Furious. The back features a very dynamic group shot with the same information. And now let's take a closer look at the 61 Impala. Very dynamic color in red and comes with white racing stripes. The base is also chrome as well. It's interesting to note that all the 5 castings are made in Indonesia. Next is the 72 Gran Torino Sports. This is my favorite casting among the lot. Comes with a premium body color in pearl green. I always love the Gran Torino and have several in my collection, such as the RLC Neo Classic series, and also the Super Treasure Hunt, which will pair very well with the Gran Torino. Next is the Corvette Grand Sport Roadster. This is definitely the pack warmer among the series, and they still can be found in single pack in retail stores. The iconic Ford Escort. I remember the very first one is the mainline, which is very popular, and ever since Mattel released several variations with just a wheel change, and also a premium series with rubber wheels and metal base. The last in the series is the 70 Chevelle SS. This is an understated casting which comes in frosted finish, black interiors and chrome base. With the Toyota license now gone, I think it's quite hard to do a Paul Walker 5 pack. Hope to see more 5 packs for Fast and Furious. And remember to like, share and subscribe to this channel. Thanks everyone. Bye.